Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use MainTop. First we run the MainTop software. Double click. Okay, if you want to use it, first you need to create new page. First one here. Okay, then in those area, keep default, just keep default. And this four, top, bottom, left, and right, keep 0. 0, 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Click OK. And then we need to add SCC in profile. The profile comes with the printers. After you got it, you can open the printer in the spare box. Or if you don't see the ink profile, you can contact us and we will send you by email. Here, first we need to compress the zip file. Okay, compressed. Okay, here in this file. Remember? Okay, we need to come to MainTop again. File. Here, printer setup. Click. Install. Custom. Okay, we find the ink profile. Here, this one. Open it. Open. Double click. Okay, install here. This one. So set as default printer. Click. Okay. Then the ink profile SCC install where on the MainTop. Okay, then we need to import the picture you want to leap. Double click the third icon here, import picture. Click. I will find a picture. Okay, here, double click. And this one adjust. Need to adjust to picture size. This one. Click. Okay. Okay, then you need to open this icon. Show magic panel. Click. So here, from here, you can see the picture size. This here. WNH is width from left to right, and the H is the height, top to bottom of the picture. And here X and Y is the location in the page we created. Okay, then we open here this option, show element and the distributing panel. Click. So we show this, and then we select the picture first and click here. Then the horizontally center in the page. You can see the x is 0, and then we click here, and the y is 0. So the picture is in the center of the page right now. Okay, so and then if we want to print another size, like larger size or smaller size than this, we can right click from here, frame distribution, click. Okay, change here. Like I want to print 800 millimeter, and then the width we no need to change here. We just to click here, custom proportion. Then the height will change automatically. Click. You can see changed. Okay. Then you can see the photo size have changed. Like this. Okay. Then if we change the size, we must reset the page. Here we change here, page setup. Click. And here the page should be a little larger than the picture size. 2 or 3 millimeter larger. I will change to 802 here by 591. Okay. We click here to ensure the picture in the center of the page. Okay. Then we set up where, and then we click here, print. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fixed icon, print. Okay. Then we need to click here, properties, click. Okay, so we should notice this, the resolution here, and here should be keep the same resolution. And another one is here, auto set paper. Then here the size will print as the page size. Okay. Another one is this. We open this. Then we can change the color, darkness and bright here. CMYK, you can change all 4 colors, and reduce, and okay. And here, darkness. The red value, smaller value, is the darkest, and from to large value is light. Okay. We print OK, and then we can print the file or click OK to print. Okay, I will keep save to desktop. Okay, the lipped picture is in PRN format. We save on the Okay, it will be saved on the desktop. Okay, so much for this video, and I will show more details in next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.